Preparing for CFA Level 1, want to pass it on your first attempt? Then you need a smart and structured study plan. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you a step-by-step CFA Level 1 study plan that will help you manage your time, focus on high-yield topics, and pass with confidence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know the exam structure. Before you start studying, you need to understand what you're up against. CFA Level 1 has 10 topics, 2 exam sessions, and 180 multiple choice questions. Level 1, weightage. Ethics 15 to 20%, quantitative methods 6 to 9%, economics 6 to 9%, financial statement analysis 11 to 14%, corporate issuers 6 to 9%, equity investments 11 to 14%, fixed income 11 to 14%, derivatives 5 to 8%, alternative investments 7 to 10%. Portfolio management 8 to 12%. The most important sections are ethics, FSA and quant. So you need to spend extra time mastering these. Step 2. The 4-month study plan. If you're studying 4 to 5 months before the exam, this is the best approach. Build your foundation. Study 2 to 3 hours per day. Cover one topic per week. Take short quizzes after each topic. Month 3. Intensive practice mode. Do at least 1000 plus practice questions. Identify weak areas and revise concepts. Take mini mock tests under timed conditions. Month 4. Full mock exams and review. Take at least 3 full-length mock exams. Review ethics and high-weightage topics. Focus on time management. The goal is to finish all topics in 3 months, so the last month is purely for practice and revision. Step 3. Smart study techniques. Don't just read and highlight. CFA Level 1 is all about application. Use these techniques. Active recall. Instead of rereading, test yourself with flashcards after each session. Mind maps. Use diagrams for FSA, fixed income, and portfolio management to remember key formulas. Question banks. Do 30 to 50 practice questions daily. The CFA exam is 80% application based. Step 4. Mock exams and exam strategy. Mock exams are game changer. Start taking full-length mocks 1 month before the exam. Mock exam strategy. Aim for at least 65 to 70% on practice tests. Simulate real exam conditions. 3 hours per session, no distractions. Review every mistake. Understanding why you got it wrong matters more than the score. By exam day, you should have done 3000 plus practice questions and at least 3 mock exams. To pass CFA Level 1 on your first attempt, follow this structured plan, stay consistent and don't ignore practice questions. Are you preparing for CFA Level 1? Check out the link in the description to know about our CFA preparation program with money back guarantee. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more CFA study tips.